Tingnan niyo naman to. May mga nabili pala talaga.
Home!
Meron kaming malaking box.
Ano
Bakit
siya?
ako naiiyak, Breezy? Good morning, guys! Good morning! Morning pa ba? Tagal ko nagising. Yes, morning pa. 11 pa na umaga. Hi! Good morning! Happy Monday! At tagal ko nagising kasi kahapon, di ba, ang aga namin natulog ni Dan. Mga 6:30 natulog na kami, guys. Or siguro, basta before 7 natulog na kami. Pero nagising kami mga 11:30, 12 kasi hindi naman kaya nakatawang lupa namin matulog na sobrang straight, na sobrang haba kasi nakakasakit ng ulo yun. Nagising kami ng mga ganun. Tapos, we were up for mga apat na oras ata. Kasi hindi nga kami makatulog na. So, kaming dalawa talaga, sabay kami natulog. Tapos, sabay kami nagising. Tapos, nauna natulog si Dan. Siguro mga 3:30 nakatulog na si Dan, which is good kasi kailangan niya magtrabaho, guys. Nagising siya kanina siguro mga 9 ng umaga. And he got ready, he went to work, and I slept in. Sabi niya, matulog ka kasi wala ka namang kailangan gawin. Sabi ko, ano wala? Ang gulo-gulo na bahay kasi hindi ako nakapag-unpack ng maayos kagabi kasi sabi ko nga, ngayon ako mag-unpack. Hindi ako nakapag-laundry. And ngayon, magkakape ako, guys. Ay, nako. Balik kape ako, pero hindi ako everyday nagkakape, ha. Meron pa akong naiwang mga tupiin kasi hindi siya tinupi ni Dan kasi alam nyo naman yung tupi ko. Iba yung tupi ko sa tupi niya. Lalo na sa mga damit ko. Yung mga damit niya, tinupi niya naman. In fairness naman talaga sa kanya. Kinuha niya yung mga damit niya, pero yung akin, naiwan. So, ang dami natin kailangan gawin. Pero okay lang, kasi yung pagtupi, yung laundry, yan yung gusto kong gawin eh. Sa lahat ng household chores, yan yung gusto ko. So, we will do this. Tingnan niyo naman to. Nandyan pa yan. Naka-open na sila kasi yung mga toiletries, kinuha na namin kasi of course, naligo kami kahapon. Saka may mga kinuha din ako dito, hindi ko alam. Pero kunin natin, buti na lang na-segregate ko na dito yung madumi at saka yung malinis. So yung mga malinis, nilagay ko balik dito sa mga ganito. Yung mga organizer ko when we travel. And then, yan. Mga malinis yan. So, hindi na siya ganun kahirap pagdating nyo na kasi na-organize mo na siya ng maayos nung nagpapak ka pa. That's what I do all the time para less hassle sa akin. Alright. So, ano yung nandito? Yan yung mga nabili natin. Yan. At saka meron ditong... Uy, ilagay ko to siya sa ano ha. Nakapack to siya ng maayos. Kaya lang nung dineclare namin siya, of course, pina-open namin kay Kuya. So, ito na nagka-ewan-ewan na. 3 danggit lang yung dala ko, guys. Ewan ko ba? Nung nag-shopping kami, ewan ko ba, 3 lang yung binili ko. Hindi nga sana ako bibili talaga ng danggit. Tapos sabi ni Dan, bumili ka, oy, di ba gusto mo yan? Sabi ko, hindi ko naman to gusto. Meron lang mga tao na gusto to yung danggit na ano. Kasi Cebu ba to? Cebu ba tong danggit? Tapos boneless danggit siya. Tapos sabi ni Dan, bumili ka na lang siya. Yung kumuha talaga nito, nilagay niya sa cart. Tapos nung ano na, the next day na, alala ko, sabi ko, wala. Sana pala nagbili ako ng marami para ibigay ko sa iba. Pero 3 lang yung nabili ko. Pag nagbigay ako, wala na akong maiwan sa akin. Ewan ko talaga, hindi ko talaga siya naisip. Anyway, kasi kapag umuwi din kayo sa Pilipinas, hindi naman talaga ako nag-iisip ng, bibili ako nito para sa akin. Wala talaga sa plano yan. Anyway, ito, malinis. May mga nakasali dito madumi yung sinuot namin nung last night namin doon. So, diretso ko na dito. Ito madumi ito, pantulog, madumi. Lagay natin dito yung madudumi, guys. Ang dami kong labahin! Nakakatuwa naman. Agay. Nandito yung sunscreen na, ewan ko ba. Meron akong vlog na na-mention ko and nasabi ko yung thoughts ko dito, yung sun expert na Bello. Ililive ko siya. Ding! Dyan. Pero ano siya, guys? Hindi siya magandang gamitin pang araw-araw kasi sobrang lagit niya talaga. Sobrang lagit. So, maganda siya kapag nasa pool or nasa beach ka tapos wala kang makeup. Kasi yung makeup ko nun, wala. Bulas pa more. Okay na po itong luggage na to. Uy! Gawin ko pala dito. May mga nabili pala talaga.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple parfum.
And guys, tapos na. Unpacked. Mamaya ako na to ayusin ng sobra-sobra talaga kasi mag-edit pa ako kasi wala akong video mamaya. Pero ito yung mga nadala namin, yung mga nabili namin sa Pilipinas. Sobrang konti lang talaga nito, guys. Hindi siya gaya ng ibang trips namin kasi nga, kami Pilipinas, hindi kami nag-iisip na, oh, ito yung bibili natin para sa atin. Anyway, unang-una, chinelas. Bumili ako kasi dito ang mahal na nito. Tapos yung binibilan ko ng Havaianas, nag-close na sila, yung mura lang. And then ito, tradisyon na talaga namin to. Bumibili kami ng Colgate na Slim Soft na charcoal, yung 0.01 mm, yung ano niya guys, bristles niya. Ito yung toothbrush na gamit namin ni Dan. Sobrang gustong-gusto namin siya. I don't even know kung meron to dito. I'm pretty sure meron naman siguro silang ganito. Or siguro meron silang like similar dito. Pero, wala. Nakasanayan na talaga namin na kapag umuwi kami ng Pilipinas, sobrang dami namin binibili nito. Konti pa nga to. Usually, bumibili ako yung 5 sa isang pack. Tapos, tag-4 nun. So, sobrang dami. So, it lasts us like a long time talaga. Meron pa nga kaming natira from last time. Pero ngayon, wala kami nakitang tigli-5. Sabi ko nga, bakit gano'n? Nagpunta na kami sa grocery. Or maybe hindi lang namin nakita. Pero, yeah, wala. Ito lang yun. 3 nga lang yung nabili namin. Kasi doon sa SM, nakita namin siya. Nung pa-checkout na kami, nandun siya sa yung mga na naka-display sa checkout. Eh, ganito lang. Isa lang yung natira. Tapos, I think sa Watsons tong dalawa. Hindi ko na maalala. Yeah, I think sa Watsons tong dalawa. Pero wala talagang tigli-5, guys. So, yan lang. And then, sa Island Souvenirs, we got this. Napakita ko na ito sa inyo, Cebu, Philippines, yung magnet na kami daw dalawa ni Dan. Manilig kami sa ganyan kapag may mga boy and girl na magnet, binibili namin. Ito! From Artwork. Hindi ko ito napakita sa inyo. Ano siya, guys? T-shirt. Nag-vlog ba ako sa Artwork? I'm not sure. Feeling ko hindi na ako naka-vlog sa Artwork. Ito, nagustuhan ni Dan ng sobra. Lechon is the reason. Lechon is the reason. Maganda din yung kulay. Wala akong ganitong kulay. Yung kukunin ko sana is yung parang deep mustard na papunta ng brown na nakalagay Philippines, tapos nandun si Rizal. Tapos sabi na Dan, parang ang dami mo ng ganyan na kulay. So, ito na lang. Tapos, ang sabi pa, lechon is the reason. Tignan niyo yung chan. Napaka-accurate niya talaga. Kasi alam niyo naman ako, lechon talaga is the reason. Tapos yung 3 danggit, 3 packs ng danggit. Nagpunta din kami sa National Bookstore. Bumili si Dan ito. The Duterte Manifesto. I think nabasa na niya to guys. Before siya natulog one night, binasa niya. 149 or 50? Baka naka-sale. Kasi may nakalagay dito 149 pero dito sa isang tag 50 pesos lang. Feeling ko naka-sale yan. Bumili din kami. Hala, uy, grabe talaga. Ito lang yung nabili ko. Butter coconut. 3 packs. Yung biskuit na masarap. Kainin ko yung may coffee ngayon. Tingnan nyo naman to. Dried mangoes. Dalawa lang talaga. Dalawa lang. Bibigay natin to sa mama ni Dan. Nescafe Original, 2 pack. Nung nag-grocery kasi kami kasama si Papi, madami siyang biniling ganito. Sabi ko, ako din. Magdala din ako para hindi na ako bumili sa labas, sa amin ba. And then, dala-dala ko to guys. Hindi naman to doon nabili. And ito, nakita nyo na to sa nung nag-grocery haul kami, nung nagpunta nga kami sa grocery. Yung mga lotion, Addiction na Beans. Kasi nga, nahihirapan ako maghanap ng lotion dito na may SPF. So, doon, ang daming lotions na may SPF. Kaya nga lang, kapag may SPF, meron daw siyang whitening properties. Which is, okay lang kasi hindi naman ako pumuputi. Like, ilang taon ako nag-skin white kasi yun yung lotion ng mama ko. Ilang taon ako nag-skin white, wala namang nangyari sa skin ko. So, hindi ako naniniwala sa mga ganun. Sunny Care, bumili ako cleansing wipes. Tapos, ang dami-daming lotion. Here, kita nyo ba? Lahat to may SPF. Yung lowest SPF is SPF 20. Highest SPF na nakita ko doon is SPF 30. So, iba-ibang klase. Belo, Kojisan, Skin White. Yung Skin White, SPF 20 lang siya. And itong GT Brightening C Plus with Gluta. Ayan, SPF 20. Anyway, yun lang. Yun lang. At saka yung sandals ko na pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon. Si Dan, marami kaming nabili sa Boracay para sa kanya. Pero nung sa Cebu na, ano ba yung binili niya? Ito lang. Mga pakunti-kunti lang, mga ganun, mga magnets. Asan na ba yung Boracay magnet namin? Uy, feeling ko nandun sa ano. Yeah, ano pa ba? Wala na guys, yun lang. Uy, inumin ko lang yung kape ko. Tapos, maglalagay ako ng 1 load of laundry. Tapos, mag-i-edit ako. Para habang nag-i-edit ako, may ginagawa si washing machine, no? Uy. Hubby is home! Lalagay niya na daw yung magnet sa fridge. Uy, nilagay ko na yung isa. See, the Cebu, Philippines is right there, my love.
Good job.
So, meron tayong Boracay and Philippines.
We haven't got Manila.
Ah, that's right. Wala kaming Manila. That's fine. Philippines will cover Manila. There you go.
Yeah, we need Manila.
We need Manila?
Yeah, if you live in Manila.
Nah. We'll just buy it. What do
I
we...
like these wooden style ones though.
Yeah, I know. They're really good. Maganda talaga yung ano, yung buo yung magnet ba? Is it really?
A little bit. That's alright.
That's right. Yung isa, yan, yung Central Park yan, we got that actually in Melbourne. Yung Central Park, New York. Nakita lang namin, no, was it 50 cents? It was on sale, something like that. Kasi wala kaming Central Park na magnet, so we got it. We need a, do we have a Perth one? Hindi ko makita. Yeah, wait, meron. Yun pala guys, Perth. What are we missing? We're missing something. Sydney. Ah, yeah, we have Sydney. That's alright. Pero nabili namin yung Sydney online. Kasi nung nagpunta kami ng Sydney, hindi kami nakabili. What are we missing?
Thailand.
Oh, really? Ayan, oh.
Well, you want that one?
Yung merong Thailand na word talaga.
Yeah.
That's alright. Yeah, and we've been there twice as well.
Yeah.
That's alright, my love. All good?
All good. Yeah.
Let's go to the post office. Punta kami ng PO Box ko, guys. Meron kaming ano dun, package. While nasa bakasyon kami, kailangan namin kunin. Ayun, may tatlo. Let's see what we have. Parang meron kaming regalo, guys. Sorry. Meron kaming malaking box.
Open the big one first.
Yeah. Hindi ko pa naayos ng maayos yung bahay kasi nag-edit ako. This is from Nisa. From Nisa.
Oh, there's a card as well, babe.
Okay, let's see. Aww.
Thank you.
Atires. Thank you naman. Where is this coming from?
Oh, that's a nice one. That's a good card.
Thank you. I-display ko. I'm gonna display this. This is really cool.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Tapos yung color niya. I like the color as well.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Letter.
This gift is just my way of saying thank you. Kasi because of you, I am pushing myself to vlog more. Aww.
Does she have a channel?
Keep being an inspiration and a blessing to others. I love you so much. Aww, I hope you like all the stuff that I have sent you. Ano yung channel mo?
Let's see if I'll see if I can put a name in and see what pops up on.
Yeah.
How do you spell the name?
Thank you so much, Nisa. Nissa. There you go. That's
That'll be
it.
them. Let's have a look.
Okay. Meron siyang channel, guys. Sinerch namin yung kanyang name. So, it's Nisa Isabella. I will leave her channel link sa description box. Thank you! Sobrang thank you! Ang ganda pa ng card.
Nice.
I-check natin yung channel niya, guys. Thank you so much, Nisa. You didn't have to. Hindi ko alam naman. Oh! Ha! Pineapple!
That's cute.
We have a cactus, so now we have a pineapple and it's hello cute.
That is cute. That's nice.
Salamat!
That can go on the couch.
Yep. Thank you!
Very cool.
Thank you!
Good one.
Dried pineapple.
Try pineapple.
Galing pa Cebu! Thank you! Sobrang salamat. I-share ko to ha kasi ang dami nito. Thank you.
That's nice.
Aww.
That feels good as well.
That's nice. Pineapple pouch. We can put our... Oh look! There's more here!
Jesus. Pineapple pen.
I like this! Phone ring stand. Pineapple. Ilalagay ko to sa ano ko guys. Sa phone ko. Thank you. That looks really nice. Thank you very much. Pineapple pen. We have a cactus pen as well. Now we have a pineapple pen. I'm gonna use that. Thank you. Another pineapple pen.
That's cute.
So cute.
Very nice.
Salamat. And
Pineapple phone case.
I have my phone is
That's
hindi
what
ito yung phone ko, I know. But my phone is small. Yung Pro yung akin, hindi yung Pro Max. So hindi siya kasha, but thank you so much anyways.
Yeah, that's
this
cool.
is so cute.
That's
Thank you. Ang ganda oh. And this is the pouch. Thank you so much. Pwede itong pang airport actually. Oh! Pwede itong pang airport actually, babe, to put our passports in here or receipts actually.
Yeah,
Kasi
that's
yung
cool.
nilalagyan ko ng receipts, kapag nagta-travel kami ni Dan, is yung parang laundry pouch. So now I have this. I will use this. Thank you so much. What's that?
Little another thing.
Ah!
Little money holder. That one.
Another pineapple coin purse. Thank you so much. Salamat. Ang cute naman ito. Uy, I'm all pineappled up.
Pineapple
Sobrang cute.
overload.
I know, pineapple overload.
Pineapple
That's
holder.
cute. Thank you.
This is cute.
Be a pineapple.
Is that
Pantulog! Ay, no! Oh,
That's pajamas?
baby! No, it's for baby!
Ah.
It's Where's our baby?
That's cute
Oh
though.
my
I like that.
gosh! Oh my goodness, look at this!
So it
Bakit ako
says,
naiiyak, Breezy?
be a pineapple,
Yeah.
stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. That's cute. I like that. Too small for me, but I like that. It's cool.
Oh,
Ah, that'll fit you.
I know, it's so...
That's cute. Oh,
Wala naman to si Nisa. Pinapaitan na lang ako.
is this a
Beach blanket.
beach blanket? That's cool.
Ah!
I can bring it to the Maldives.
Instagrammable. Very Instagrammable.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Whoa, pineapple bag.
Ah, a tote bag.
Yep.
Hello, oy, grabe, ang dami pineapple. Thank you.
Cool. Very nice.
Ang ganda ng kulay. I like the color.
She's very generous, this
I
girl, isn't she? And
know.
very thoughtful
Thank
as well.
you. I
Likes
know,
to
very
shop around for
thoughtful.
all different pineapple stuff in a lot of places.
Including baby clothes.
Yeah.
Giant size pineapple. I like this one.
Yeah, I like that as well.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's a Maldives blanket.
I have that one, babe.
What's this one? Black box. Pineapple? It is pineapple. It's so cute.
Is that a coffee cup or?
I don't know.
Or is it a teacup?
I see pineapple.
Maybe a teacup.
Oops! Oops! Ang cute naman ito. What's this for? Para saan to? Ganyan?
Oh, that's cute. Clever, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's got a hole, not a
Can you
hole,
see it?
but it's got like a, and then it's got like a,
Yeah.
so the pineapple sits inside it.
That's
Cute. I bet you could use that as a coffee cup.
yeah.
And it's like
Glass.
and that's just your coaster.
Yeah.
That's cute.
And cute.
That's
Thank
nice.
you.
I want it there, like for. That's cute though.
Everything's pineapple.
Good choices. Ha!
Pineapple lumps.
Pineapple.
Alams na.
Lumps.
Alams na this. That's for you. Oh. Sige, let's taste
I
it.
can't resist.
Hala, kadaghan. That's a lot, babe.
I'll just have
Is it chocolate?
be chocolate and Pineapple.
I love that, babe.
Okay. Anchor, right? These are good. Very nice.
For Danny boy.
And 3 boxes of
Pineapple chunks.
pineapple chunks covered in chocolate.
Made in New Zealand.
How cool is that?
Thank you, Nisa. Thank you so much. This is very thoughtful. Thank you.
Definitely subscribe to this girl's channel. She's a really nice girl. Thank you for sending through.
I know.
All that.
That's a lot as well. You
We were
do not have to
surprised.
do that
Yeah, we
alone.
went to the post office thinking Raz was picking up some makeup stuff and we saw this big box, but wow.
I know, Dan was like, what did you get from Catch? I was like, I don't know. I didn't get anything from Catch.
I looked on Catch and I thought for a second I accidentally ordered something, accidentally.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you, Nisa. I-leave ko yung channel niya, guys, sa description box. Please check her out. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ang ganda ng card. Thank you. What time are you leaving?
I put this in the big one later. Around 6.
Yeah, iiwan niya na naman ako. Meron siyang basketball, is it?
Basketball.
Basketball with the bestie. Nanonood sila ng basketball, guys. Kasama kanyang bestie. Okay, ayusin ko lang itong mga to. Nakatapos ako mag-edit ng video. It's uploading right now. Natapos ko na din yung thumbnail. So, as soon as ma-upload siya, kailangan ko na lang gawin yung mga final touches. Pero ang kailangan kong gawin is ayusin tong lahat ng to. Ang cute ng bang baby clothes. Naiinis ako parang nakakaloka. So cute. Ang cute! Ang puti-puti pa niyo. Ang cute talaga niya. Ano ba yan? Si Nisa naman niya. Nisa Bells. You, ha? But it's so cute. Thank you very much. My love, we will use this baby clothes this year. Okay?
Okay.
Lagay natin itong balik sa bag. Ang cute naman ito. Uy! Ako yung mahilig sa pineapple pero wala akong masyadong gamit na pineapple kasi hindi naman ako mahilig mamili ng mga like mga knickknacks, yung mga maliliit. Si Dan yung mahilig like kaya meron kaming cactus pillow, meron kaming cactus na pen. Ako kapag nakikita ko siya, nakukitan ako pero hindi ko siya binibili kasi sabi ko hindi ko naman siya kailangan. So when I receive stuff like this, like nakaka-happy lang, nakaka-happy. Kasi ang cute nila, nakukitan talaga ako sa kanila, nakakita na ako, tingnan siya. Tingnan nyo naman tong si Dan. In fairness naman talaga sa kanya. Siya yung gumawa nito, guys. Alam na niya paano to gawin. Ito yung chicken na merong cheese with spinach and nag-steam ako ng broccoli para sa kanya. Pero that's his dinner, early dinner. Mine is cooking right now. Hindi natin ipapakita yung top ni Dan kasi wala siyang top. Yan, nagluto ako ng salmon na paksiw na may gata. Ito yung recipe ni Smile Lyra. I-leave ko siya dito, guys, yung video niya. Hindi ko siya na-vlog kanina kasi may call center semester. Ang dami niyang ganap. Back to work na kasi siya. 2 chicken yung niluto niya, guys. O, tingnan niyo yung isa. Baon niya yan bukas. Nakakatuwa, diba? Siya na talaga. Good job, babe.
Thank you.
Bye, babe.
Bye.
Love you.
See you tomorrow.
See ya. I'll go with you. Coming! Dito na yung best friend niya, guys. 9:38 na ng gabi, guys. Kakarating lang ni Dan. Nabisi ako kanina, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi naayos ko yung mga damit, yung mga tupiin, ang dami. Nanood ako ng Showtime while I was doing all that. Gusto ko itong itry. Ito yung Dr. Label. It is the Long and Curl Mascara and Eyelash Tonic. Galing tong Caris. Meron siyang mascara on the other side. Yan. And then, on the other side, merong parang eyelash serum. Yan. Gumagamit kasi ako ng eyelash serum. Pero naubos na yung Etude House ko na lagi kong ginagamit noon. Yung mura lang siya. Wala na dito kasi ubos na. Ngayon, yung sobrang inuubos ko talaga, ito. Pero paubos na din to, guys. Malapit na talaga itong maubos. Revitalash Advance. Ito yung eyelash serum ng Revitalash. Yan. Hindi ito yung, yung original packaging niya. Ano lang to, limited edition breast cancer na packaging nila. Pero hindi ito yung original packaging niya. Ibang kulay. Pero that's what I have been using after ko ginamit yung eyelash serum ko from Etude House. So ngayon, ito na naman. Sa lahat ng eyelash serum na nagamit ko, hindi naman napapahaba yung lashes ko. Ano lang, parang nami-maintain niya na hindi maglaglagan yung eyelash. Bali, parang napapastrong niya yung lashes ko ba. Yun na yung vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung vlog natin today. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night, my love.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, guys. Bye. Mwah.